In our previous video, we talked about the Galaxy M20. In this video, we'll be unboxing it and taking a quick look at the device. So let's start by taking a quick look at the box of the device. On the side it says Samsung Galaxy M20, and on the back there's information like the pricing, which is 10,990 for the 3GB RAM variant, and there are the quick specs about the screen, camera and battery of the device. And so let's get to the unboxing itself. And let me remove the top plastic, and here as you can see it says Indian SIM card only. That means that you need to use it with an Indian SIM card for at least 5 minutes to unlock its regional lock, that is lock to India. So here we have our SAR values and stuff. Let's cut the second seal open, and the box itself slides open as seen, and we're greeted with an envelope type of paper box, which we'll take a look at in a moment. So opening the box, we have something like these 3 paper guides, which is first of it is a quick start guide, which just shows about the display, and then a regional lock, and then a warranty information guide. So then there's the device itself, Samsung Galaxy M20. Let's put the device to the side and see what else we get in the box. Here we have the Type-C cable that's mentioned in the box. That's one of the things we like about the M20 actually. It comes with a Type-C instead of a micro USB. And then we have a charging brick, which is actually a 15-watt fast charger. And then there's this SIM ejector tool, which I couldn't get out of the box. So let's put everything to a side and take a good look at the device. Let's first unwrap the plastic, and it's actually a little bit hard. So let's unwrap it. And as you can see, there is a lot of protective film covering the device also. And here is one of them that attaches to the side, and there's another one on the top of the device. So now just let's take a quick look at the device. Back you have the dual camera fingerprint sensor, and here's the Infinity V 6.3 inch screen, and I have to remove that label probably. And then to the left you have the SIM ejector tool, to the right power button and volume button, and to the bottom the USB-C and the headphone jack, including the charging grills. So that's pretty much it. The device looks promising actually. Finally, here's the boot animation. And guys, we're going to be talking a lot about this device in our full review that's coming soon, so consider hitting the subscribe button to not miss the video. Leave a like if you like the video, and leave your suggestions in the comment section below.